Quick lesson for anyone flying FPV. This flight was running on a clip-on ND filter, which had crashed the DJI NEO 2, causing the filter to come straight off. However, I managed to find it, but that's not always the case when it comes to FPV, which is why for me, magnetic style ND filters are just not worth it. If I'm going to go for an ND filter, it would always be a clip-on.
I love about the DJI goggles setup. I crashed this drone once, not twice, not 3 times. However, one thing I've learned, always get the clip-on ND filters because the magnetic filters are easier to fall off. Now, I had attempted this gap and I had attempted this gap here, me having the clip-on ND filters. The crash landed some water in the drone, so I am gonna give it one more rip to get all the dirt and water off of it. It being in the air, it will probably fly, a lot of it will fall off, so that's not really a big stress. Now the problem is, when flying FPV, you lose a lot of parts. Now DJI was lucky enough to show me back the footage before I did crash. Apologies for the dogs. And one thing I must say, after carefully searching around all the grass and leaves, I managed to find my ND filter. So whenever you crash, always search your drone thoroughly. Make sure your drone is exactly as it is from when you taken off, because look how small that is. Although it is a clip on, I still lost it. So if you are flying with a clip on ND filter and you do lose it, it's completely normal.